Hi, good morning, students of class 9th of school VPM Gyan Niketan. Students, in previous class, you have learned about the congruency criteria and the proof of the criteria ASA and AAS. So, students, today I am going to teach you, I am going to solve your homework exercise 7.1 from NCERT. So, the first question of exercise 7.1 is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to AD. In quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A. Look here, it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral and in which AC is equal to AD, and this line AB bisect angle A, that means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Then show that triangle ABC and triangle ABD are congruent. Before proof this question, student, you must remember that how many criteria of congruency and which criteria is suitable for apply the given situation. So here, look here, given ABCD is a quadrilateral, AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A. This one is given. So to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now next proof इन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, मतलब जिसको आपको प्रूफ करना है वो दोनों ट्रायंगल को आप ले लीजिए। और एक चीज़ और याद रखिएगा इसमें कि वाइल नेमिंग ऑफ द ट्रायंगल द ऑर्डर ऑफ द नेमिंग मस्ट कीप रिमेंबर here ABC and ABD, ABC and ABD. That means, look here, in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, AC is equal to AD. This one is given. AC equal to AD. This one is given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because AB bisect angle A. So, and AB is equal to AB. AB is equal to AB. Why? Because AB is the side which is common in both triangles. So, this one is here, side, angle, side, side, angle, side, and this is the one criteria of congruency. So, by SAS, we prove that they are congruent, and because both triangles are congruent, so their corresponding parts are also equal. So we can write BC is equal to BD. The last two BC, then here is also last two BD. Both are equal by CP CT. Next, the second question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB equal to AC, in which AD, in which AD equal to BC. Look here, AD is equal to BC, and triangle DAB, triangle and angle DAB DAB whole angle, this one is equal to angle CBA, this whole angle. Then prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC, BD equal to AC, and angle ABD equal to angle BAC. Now, what is given? Here given is triangle ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC and DAB equal to CBA. Angle DAB equal to angle CBA. To prove, what is proof? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Second proof, BD equal to AC. And third proof, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Now look, here triangles ABD and BAC both are complicated here. So इसलिए आप इसको क्या कीजिए कि दो सिंपल ट्रायंगल में ब्रेक कर लीजिए, मतलब ABD और BAC जिसको हमको प्रूव करना है उसे। तो हमने यहाँ देखिए क्या किए, ABD एक ट्रायंगल बना है और एक बना दिए ABC, यहीं से ब्रेक करके ए वाला और ए वाला। और इसमें जो जो इक्वल है, जैसे यहाँ AD इक्वल है BC का, तो यहाँ कर लिए हम लोग AD इक्वल कर लिए BC का। फिर ए एंगल इक्वल है इस एंगल का, वो भी कर लिए। अब ये फिगर दोनों क्या है, सिंपल फिगर हो गया। अब हम ये दोनों को इजी वे में कंपेयर करेंगे एंड देन प्रूव देम दैट बोथ आर कॉन्ग्रुएंसी बाय अप्लाइड appropriate congruency criteria. Now in triangle ABD and BAC, नेमिंग ऑर्डर हमेशा याद रखिएगा, ABD। अब देखो यहाँ A इसका इक्वल कौन है, B, तो शुरुआत यहाँ A से हुआ तो यहाँ B से होगा, BAC। क्लियर? So here AB equal to AB, both are common because both sides present in both triangles. This side AB is present in both triangles. Angle DAB equal to CBA, this one is given, DAB is equal to CBA, this one is given. Also BC equal to AD, BC is equal to AD, this one is also given in your question. So by apply ASA, we can prove here triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by SAS. Since triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC, hence BD is equal to AC by CPCT, and this is the second proof. This one is second proof. And third proof is ABD equal to BAC. Look here, ABD is equal to BAC. Again both triangles are congruent, so by CPCT they are also equal. So this is the proof of solve of second question. Next, third, AD and BC are equal. Look here, AD, this one, AD and BC are equal, perpendiculars to a line segment AB. And क्या है, AD is perpendicular on AB and CB is perpendicular on AB. This one is also given. Then show that, तब आप बताइए कि then show that CD bisect AB. Where is CD? This one is CD bisect AB. That means you prove that OB is equal to OA. OB is equal to OB. This is the proof. Na? So CD bisect AB. This is to prove our proof. So you prove that OB is equal to OA. Look here students, OB is the part of triangle BOC and OA is the part of triangle AOD. So by help of both triangles we can easily prove it. Proof in triangle OBC and triangle OAD. OBC OAD, A पर 90, B पर 90, B मिडिल में है, यहाँ पर A मिडिल में है. So here is angle B is equal to angle A. Angle B is equal to angle A. Both are 90 degree. BOC, look here, BOC is equal to AOD by vertical opposite angles, and BC is equal to AD. This one is given. BC is equal to AD. This one is given. So by AAS, congruency criteria, we prove that both triangles are congruent. Because both triangles are congruent, so we say that OB is equal to OA by what? CP CT, and because OB is equal to OA, so we say that CD bisect AB. Clear? Next, this is, since itna is equal to itna by CPCT, so we say that CD bisect AB. Next question, L and M are two parallel lines. Look here, L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. जो दो और जो पेयर लाइन्स हैं P एंड Q, उसके द्वारा इंटरसेक्ट किया जा रहा है, काटा जा रहा है एट पॉइंट AD एंड BC. देन प्रूव दैट ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So here parallel line is given, so the properties of parallel lines are applied here. ठीक है, यहाँ पर अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ का अगर दे देगा नाम, जैसे पैरेलल लाइंस दे दिया है, दैट मीन्स कि पैरेलल लाइंस का प्रॉपर्टी मस्ट यूज किया जाएगा. और ये सारा चीज़ आपको, ये सारे टॉपिक्स को, सारे थ्योरम्स को आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखना होगा, क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस में नाम दे देगा तो आपको उसका प्रॉपर्टी खुद यूज करना होगा. क्लियर है? सो हियर इज गिवन L पैरेलल M and P पैरेलल Q. देन प्रूव हियर ट्रायंगल ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. In triangle ABC and in triangle CDA, look here. Suppose that this one is 1, this one is 2, and this one is 3, this one is 4. So, look, P parallel Q and AC is a transversal line. So, we say that angle 3 is equal to angle 2. By which criteria? By which property? This property is alternate interior angles. And similarly, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Again by alternate interior angles. And AC is common in both triangles. So, ASA, by using criteria ASA, we prove both triangles are congruent. So, look here, in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, angle BAC, that means angle 1, is equal to angle ACD, that means angle 4 by alternate interior angles. AC is equal to AC because this side is present in both triangles, common. Angle BCA is equal to DAC, again by alternate interior angles. Hence, both triangles are congruent by criteria ASA. Next question, and question number 5 is line L is the bisector of an angle A. Here, L is the line which bisect angle A. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. एंड B इज एनी पॉइंट ऑन L. B कोई एक पॉइंट है जो किस पर है, लाइन L पर. BP एंड BQ आर परपेंडिकुलर्स. BP एंड BQ आर परपेंडिकुलर्स फ्रॉम B द आर्म्स ऑफ एंगल A. सो दैट देन प्रूव करना है ट्रायंगल APB इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल AQB. ठीक, ट्रायंगल APB इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल AQB. सेकेंड प्रूफ करना है, द सेकेंड प्रूफ इज BP इज इक्वल टू BQ. दैट मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम B ऑन बोथ आर्म्स आर इक्वल. ठीक है, सो we break these two triangles like this, AQB and APB. Look here, AQB and APB. Here 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 2. Why? Because line L is the bisector and angle AQB is equal to angle APB 90 degree. And again and again AB, where is AB? AB, and here is also AB. That means both are common in both triangles. This side AB is common in both triangles. So we can easily apply criteria AAS and prove they are congruent. So in triangle AQB and triangle APB, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. Why? Because line L is the bisector of angle A. Angle AQB is equal to angle APB. APB is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to AB. Both this side is common. So triangle AQB is congruent to triangle APB. AQB is congruent to triangle APB by AAS. Hence, side BQ is equal to side BP. BQ is equal to BP. BQ is equal to BP by CPCT. And this is our proof. Now, they are the solution of 5 questions. These are the solution of 5 questions of exercise 7.1 from NCERT book. Now remaining 3 questions of this exercise will be next remaining 3 questions in this exercise, total 8 questions, and 3 remaining questions are solved in next class.